Something major is happening beneath the surface of this stadium, and most people haven't noticed it yet. While the iconic diamond structures race toward completion, hidden roof systems and critical facade preparations are quietly transforming the project. But the biggest surprise is how quickly several sections are now entering their final phases. The question is no longer whether this stadium is taking shape, it's how fast it's getting there. From this incredible vantage point above the South Stand, the true scale of Camp Nou's transformation comes into full view, with major progress unfolding across every level of the stadium. From here, we get a clear look at the ongoing work across the third tier, particularly its lower section. While attention remains focused on the core structures as everyone eagerly awaits the installation of the first ceramic facade panels, the VIP ring has also become one of the busiest construction zones, with workers and elevated platforms active throughout the area. Even though its interior remains hidden from view, with so much activity unfolding across these key sections of the stadium, one particular detail immediately stood out. Work inside the VIP interior spaces continues to progress across several areas at the same time. Crews are carrying out mechanical, electrical, and architectural installations while also completing wall systems, service areas, and circulation spaces. Interior finishing work is gradually expanding as more structural sections become available, bringing the premium hospitality areas closer to their final operational layout. Work on the new playing surface continues to move forward as preparations across the pitch area remain on schedule. Ground development and surface preparation are progressing steadily, with the field becoming increasingly defined from the elevated crane viewpoints. Surrounding infrastructure connected to the pitch is also advancing, reflecting the ongoing transformation of the stadium's central playing area ahead of the planned reopening timeline. With the reopening schedule approaching, every detail of the pitch preparation is being completed with maximum precision. Construction work continues on the lateral side of the stadium, where concrete works are rapidly advancing across the future parking area. From this close-up viewpoint, crews can be seen laying geotextile fabric before pouring and leveling the first layer of concrete. The operation is carried out with impressive coordination, as workers control the concrete pump while others quickly spread and smooth the surface. This is only the initial concrete layer, with more work to follow in the next stages. The afternoon shift reveals the progress made throughout the morning, while the underground pipes remain protected beneath the geotextile as construction steadily moves forward. Another busy day is unfolding around the stadium's corner section, where attention has shifted toward detailed finishing work on several key structural components. Crews continue painting the large steel beams inside the mobility cores, a process that has been underway for several days. Once these finishing works are complete, the area will be ready for the installation of the sandwich panels, marking another visible step forward. Elsewhere, workers are carrying out precision work around the beam connections and anchor points using elevated platforms and power tools. Nearby, previously polished beams are receiving final attention, while a few support elements are still awaiting installation at the structural joints. Although activity around the exterior cantilevers remains relatively light, high above the north goal, work on the compression ring continues to move forward. Crews remain focused on preparing the next installation sequence by working around the steel structure, temporary access systems, and lifting equipment. As more components are positioned and surrounding preparations are completed, the compression ring continues extending around the stadium, bringing the roof support system another step closer to completion. The Tribuna has become a major staging area for upcoming structural work. Large quantities of steel pillars, radial beams, compression ring components, and temporary support structures have now been delivered and organized across the site. The amount of material already in place suggests that installation work around the Tribuna will accelerate soon, making this one of the most important areas to watch in the next construction updates. Construction across the third tier continues at an impressive pace. Temporary scaffolding remains in place while crews focus on completing the upper structural sections and surrounding framework. Additional finishing work is becoming increasingly visible throughout the Tribuna, including completed stairways and newly painted access routes. These details highlight the project's gradual transition from heavy structural construction toward interior finishing, bringing the upper seating levels closer to welcoming supporters once again. The lateral construction zone continues to be one of the most active areas of the project, with cranes, concrete pumps, and elevated platforms all operating simultaneously. Freshly concreted sections have already had parts of their formwork removed, while crews immediately began installing new reinforcement cages and preparing additional column structures for the next concrete pours. Across the upper levels, workers continue adjusting structural supports and lifting new reinforcement materials into position, ensuring that progress continues at a rapid pace throughout this side of the stadium. The diamond structure continues to move closer to completion, with construction now shifting from its glass installation to the final structural enclosure. All of the large glass panels, each measuring around 6 meters in length, have now been installed. Crews are now focused on building the concrete block walls and closing off the remaining sections, including the future access doorway, bringing the diamond another significant step closer to completion. With a bit of luck, the temporary construction fence surrounding this area could soon be removed, giving an even clearer view of this impressive structure before we head over to the trenchworks. One of the most noticeable developments today can be seen at the mobility cores, where another sandwich panel is being lifted into position. Using a vacuum lifting system attached to an elevated platform, crews carefully install the new panel, making the process much faster and more efficient than the manual method used in the past. Once this section is completed, the remaining upper panels will be installed to fully enclose the structure. Meanwhile, the long-awaited ceramic facade panels are still yet to appear. Although workers have spent recent days aligning, tightening, and inspecting the support brackets, the llamas have not been installed so far. Finally, we arrive at the goal sud corner, where another important phase of structural work is taking shape across several key areas of the stadium. Right from the start, attention is drawn to the radial beam area, where crews are moving scaffolding components and temporary safety barriers around the formwork. The structure for the next radial beam and its supporting column is already taking shape, with formwork positioned directly above the lower column. Based on the size of the structural box sections, this area is expected to receive several more segments before the next radial beam is completed. As today's construction update comes to an end, Camp Nou continues to move steadily toward its next major milestones. From the diamond structure nearing completion to the ongoing preparations for the long-awaited ceramic facade panels, progress is unfolding across every corner of the stadium. Yet some of the most anticipated changes are still to come. The next update could bring the breakthrough fans have been waiting for, so stay tuned as we continue following every step of Camp Nou's remarkable transformation.